Hi, my name is Praveena Emmanuel and I'm doing level 5 in automobile engineering. I got to know about ASTI Academy online because I was searching to follow my dreams. I'm doing this automobile as a part-time job, and it was my long-time dream to follow automobiles. And I highly recommend ASTI Academy to study, and because the faculty and the staff, they are excellent. The knowledge I got is good for me to follow my dream. And I'm really grateful that I'm graduating today. It was a long time dream for me to achieve something in my life, and